Hello friends, welcome. In this class, we will see how to do a lab setup in our Windows system. As I have already told you previously, we can either use Git bash or Docker. So in this course, I will be using Docker and I will insist all of you to install Docker desktop because that is the best way to learn Docker in Windows system. So let's see how we can start. So how you can do that? First way is that either you can go with the Git bash option, but I will not recommend. And the second is using the Docker desktop. So how you can do it? You can open the Docker desktop. Please install it before using this. See, I have started my Docker desktop. So here what you need to do. So I will give you one simple syntax. Open your Git bash or any terminal. Here you just need to write this code. Okay, don't worry about this code or this syntax. I will explain all of this in the Docker class. So you will do docker run -it Ubuntu and then bash. Enter. Okay, so it's showing that the input device is not a TTY. Okay, so what you need to do, since we are in Windows machine, so we need to do WinPTY. I am just zooming it for you all. Now you can press enter. So first what it will do, it will check if locally we have Ubuntu image or not. Since it's not there, so it's going to download the Ubuntu image from the Docker registry and then it's going to start. See, it's downloaded the Ubuntu. You can also go to this Docker desktop, go to the images. You will see we have downloaded the Ubuntu image. Okay, and this is running on container. Okay, so this is the main place where a running application will work, and this is basically the operating system, the OS, the Ubuntu OS. Here we will check everything, and here you can see we have come inside the root, that is basically inside our Ubuntu OS. Here for example I will show you one command ls. I will explain. See, we are inside an Ubuntu OS. Either you can check it here, or if you wanted to visually check here, you can do one thing. You can click on this container. Okay, here you can go to the files. Here you can visually see all the files of that OS. Here we will do all our lab and we will do all the tasks in this Docker desktop. So guys, please install Docker desktop before continuing, because you need to do some practice also. I will give you some tasks for your practice. You need to do it in the Docker desktop. Thank you guys. Happy learning.